Welcome YouTube and YouTube subscribers. Today we have a pretty crazy shoe here, a shoe that's been very popular lately, and I don't see why, but maybe it'll change my mind once we open it. So before we get on into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell because we are back. We are going to continue to be consistent. As you can see, you probably can't see, but we're going to continue to be consistent and drop more content for you guys. All right, so that being said, let's just jump on into the video. Today is October 26th and we just received the new Cpfm Flea 2s. Today also is the day that the NBA season starts, and I'm happy about that. Go Thunder. Always been a Thunder fan. If you know me, we've always been repping with the Thunder. We're going to win the playoffs. We're going to win the finals this year. So let's open this up. Now, I did hit these on the sneakers app, and it honestly got here really fast. Let's just go ahead and take a look how they look in person, and maybe they might change my mind. I also hit I don't know the name of the color, but I hit the greenish looking color. I hit that one on the Cactus Plant Flea Market website, so I'm just waiting for those to arrive, which should be here pretty soon. So let's go ahead, open this thing up and see how they look. All right, so let's get this thing open here. Well, I went on the sneakers app and it wasn't tough. I mean, I shouldn't say it wasn't tough because there was only like 20,000 pairs of these, if I'm correct. And I didn't hit on the on their website, but I did hit on the sneakers app. Now, what's crazy is I went for a size 10.5 and I hit on one of my other accounts. I did have 2 accounts going for these. For some reason, my main account has not been hitting though. This box is very, very heavy. Ugh. Very nice box. This is a dope box, not even gonna lie. So it says the Air Flea 2 there. As you can see, it is a size 10.5. Okay, there's the box. Really creative box. I love unique boxes. That's my one thing I love. So I like that. And then we open it up. Tissue paper looks great. Love it. Presentation is nice. And we have our dust bag that no one ever uses, but this is a fire one. It's pretty big too. So as you can see, it says Nike Air. Hold on, let me make it so you guys can see. Probably still can't see, but Nike Air Flea 2, just do it. Got some patches on it. Very cool. Wait, which way was it folded? This way? All right. Feels like a blanket almost. And now for the shoe. This thing is huge. These look just like those Balenciagas. Look at that thing, dude. That is huge. Oh my gosh. I like them. Is it something I could actually wear casually? Probably not, but they do look pretty cool, especially if you're into fashion, which I am. So I should be able to put together something nice for you guys that you could pull off with these. Now I do know that this comes off, so there's some buttons on here that you can take this check mark off. It should have some extra things you can snap on. So it's got your fleas on there. I think that's what those are supposed to be, little fleas, and some Nike symbols and stuff like that. But yeah, overall I think it's a pretty dope shoe. Now I have been seeing some people complaining about the sizing on how it should fit and everything like that. And I just watched the video today where they went over pretty much the proper sizing on these. From what I'm hearing, it seems like you should go a whole size down for this shoe. Now this is a size 10.5 and I'm normally a size 10. So I am going to try these on and put together an outfit for you guys to see how they look on feet and stuff like that. But really, really fire shoe. I like it. It's unique, so that's why I like it. It's pretty much the Nike version of a Balenciaga. There it is. Just want to show you guys what they look like. Stay tuned for the on foot look. If you guys want an on foot look with both colors, make sure you guys let me know. Okay, we should have the other one coming in soon. But really, really cool shoe. Like the concept. Definitely something different. Let me know if you guys like it. Comment down below if you're picking these up. I think they're pretty fire, especially, like I said, something different for Nike. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell as well. And also check out my clothing brand, Be consistent. We will be launching really soon. We have the free hoodie drop going on right now on the beconsistent.com website. So make sure you guys check that out for the free hoodie giveaway. It ends November 14th. All right, Scoofy here, and I'm out.